Once upon a time, in a bustling city where dreams danced in the streets, there lived a young woman named Ava. Ava was in her mid-20s, navigating through life's unpredictable melodies with grace and resilience. She worked in a quaint bookstore nestled in the heart of the city, where the scent of old books intertwined with the promise of new adventures. Ava's days were filled with the gentle rustle of pages turning, the soft murmur of customers lost in the world of literature, and the occasional burst of laughter shared over shared stories. Despite the enchanting world within the bookstore, Ava often found herself longing for something more, a melody yet to be composed in the symphony of her life. One crisp autumn afternoon, as golden leaves danced in the breeze, Ava's routine was interrupted by the arrival of a mysterious stranger. His name was Gabriel, and he carried with him an air of curiosity and adventure. With eyes that held the secrets of distant lands, and a smile that could light up the darkest of nights, Gabriel's presence stirred something within Ava's soul. Their encounters became more frequent, as if orchestrated by fate itself. They shared conversations that flowed like rivers, meandering through the landscapes of their dreams and desires. Through laughter and shared silences, Ava discovered a kindred spirit in Gabriel, a companion on her journey through the symphony of life. As the seasons changed and winter draped the city in a blanket of snow, Ava and Gabriel's bond blossomed into something beyond friendship. They explored the city together, weaving through its labyrinthine streets like two characters in a love story written by the stars. But just as their love began to crescendo, life's dissonant chords echoed through their harmony. Gabriel received an unexpected opportunity to travel the world, chasing his dreams across continents and oceans. Ava's heart wavered between holding on to the melody they had composed together and setting him free to pursue his destiny. In the quiet moments of solitude, Ava found solace in the words of the books that surrounded her, seeking guidance within their pages. She realized that love was not about possessing, but about letting go with grace, trusting in the rhythm of the universe to guide their paths. With a heavy heart yet unwavering resolve, Ava bid farewell to Gabriel, knowing that their love would endure across the vast expanse of time and space. As he embarked on his journey, Ava found strength in the memories they had shared, each moment a precious note in the symphony of their love. Months passed, and with each passing day, Ava's heart grew stronger, resonating with the melody of her own existence. She poured her passion into the pages of her own story, weaving tales of courage and resilience inspired by her own journey. One fateful day, as the sun painted the sky in hues of crimson and gold, Ava received a letter. It was from Gabriel, written from a distant land where the mountains touched the sky and the oceans whispered secrets to the stars. In his words, Ava found the echoes of their love, a melody that transcended time and space. With tears of joy glistening in her eyes, Ava realized that their love was not bound by the confines of distance or time. It was a symphony that played on, echoing through the corridors of their souls, a testament to the power of love to transcend all boundaries. And so, as the city slept beneath a blanket of stars, Ava stood on the threshold of a new chapter in her life, her heart overflowing with gratitude for the beautiful symphony of serendipity that had brought her to this moment. For in the end, she knew that love would always find a way to write its own melody, even in the silence between the notes.